Chicken vocabulary. Picture and meaning. Chicken. A type of large domestic bird that is kept on a farm for its eggs or meat, or the meat of this bird that is cooked and eaten. Another meaning. Chicken. The flesh of a chicken eaten as food. Cock. USA, also rooster. An adult male chicken. Cockerel. A male chicken that is under a year old. Crow. Of a cock or rooster, to make repeated, very long, loud, sharp sounds, especially early in the morning. Hen. An adult female chicken that has laid eggs. Pullet. A female young chicken that is less than a year old and has not started laying eggs yet. Naked neck. A particular breed that is naturally devoid of feathers on its neck and vent. Frizzled chicken. A curled feather type of chicken plumage, common to certain breeds of domestic chicken. Cluck. To make the low, interrupted noise that a hen makes. Cackle. Especially of a hen, to squawk with loud, shrill notes. Chick. A young chicken within 8 weeks of age. Chick chirping. The short, high-pitched, repetitive sounds made by chicks. Capon. A cock usually less than 8 months that has had its sex organs removed and has been specially fattened up its flesh for food. Layers. Also layer chicken. Female chicken raised to lay eggs. Broiler. Also broiler chicken. A hybrid chicken raised for meat for 4 to 8 weeks of age, suitable for roasting or grilling, and no egg production. Fryer. Also fryer chicken. Another name for a broiler or a young chicken suitable for frying. Another meaning. Fryer. A type of deep pan which you can use to fry food in hot oil. Broody. Also broody chicken or broody hen. It means a hen is ready to produce eggs, wants to hatch her eggs and raise chicks. Battery hens. Egg-laying hens that are kept in battery cages. Coop. A cage where kept small animals or birds, especially chickens. Chicken run. An enclosed area in a portion of the yard where chickens can freely roam. Free-range chicken. The living spaces where chickens spend their time. Lay. Past tense. Past participle, laid, laid. Bird, insect, fish, etc. to produce eggs from out of the body. Incubate. Of a bird sits on its eggs in order to keep them warm and bring them to hatching. Hatch. Past tense. Past participle, hatched, hatched. Of a baby bird, fish, insect, etc. To come out of an egg by breaking the shell. Egg tooth. A temporary tooth-like structure on the nose or beak of young reptiles, chicks, or birds used to break the egg membrane or shell at the time of hatching. Roost. A perch, pole, or shelf, generally 2 feet or more off the ground, where chickens or birds rest and sleep. Dust bath, also called sand bath. A chicken or bird covers themselves with dry earth or sand by rolling or moving to help get rid of mites or to help cool themselves off on hot days. Clutch. A group of eggs that a bird or chicken lays at one time. Litter. The bedding material, especially straw or dried grass, that is spread on the floor for farm animals or chicken house to sleep on. Another meaning. Litter. Small pieces of rubbish or garbage such as paper, cans, etc. that have been left lying on the ground in public places. Comb, also cock's comb, the red flap of fleshy skin sticking up on top of a chicken's head. Another meaning. Comb, a flat piece of plastic or metal with narrow pointed teeth along one side, used to tidy and arrange your hair. Wattle, the loose skin that dangled down from the beak of a chicken or some birds. Earlobe, the soft round part at the bottom of the earth. Beak, also bill, the hard pointed part of a chicken or bird's mouth. Feather, one of the many soft light things that cover a chicken or bird's body. Down, the very fine soft feathers of a chicken or bird. Fluff, soft fur on birds or chicken's body. Plumage, all the feathers on a chicken or bird's body. Crop, a part of a chicken or bird's throat shaped like a bag where food is stored before it going into the gizzard. Another meaning. Crop, plants such as grain, fruit, or vegetables that are grown in large quantities for food. Gizzard, a part of chicken or bird's stomach that has thick muscles where food is ground down, especially with very small stones. Ven, the opening in the body of a chicken, bird, fish, or reptile through which waste matter is passed out. Another meaning. Ven, a small opening in something through which air can come in and smoke, gas, or smells can go out a closed space. Hawk. An animal is the joint in its back leg that points backwards. Shank, the leg of a person or animal, especially the part below the knee and above the foot. Spur, a small horn-like protrusion that grows from a chicken's leg just above the foot. Claw, one of the sharp curved nails on the end of each of the toes of some animals and birds. Toe, one of the 5 separate parts at the end of the foot. Chicken poo, usually poop, a piece of solid waste or droppings that come from a chicken guts. Egg anatomy. Chicken anatomy. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.